Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about indigestion. Nowadays in everybody's life indigestion is quite common. So many people complained saying that for a little things or for a little change I have so much of indigestion. 3 days I will be better after the medication, but after stopping or after changing little bit of my routine, of course the indigestion starts again. So if you have been wondering, is there any homeopathic remedies which you can keep in your home for indigestion? Of course, yes, there are so many homeopathic remedies. I'll be discussing few of them in this video. Myself, Dr. Megha from Homeopathic Clinic. I'm a practitioner of homeopathy from 5 years. If you're not still subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that whenever I put a new video, you will be notified. Okay, without any delay, let's move on to the indigestion topic. Why this indigestion happens? It happens because of irregular eating, or if you are sensitive to some kind of food thing and you're not aware of it and you're eating that, the time the indigestion happens. Indigestion happens also because of anger or disturbance in the mental state of the person. If you ask how it is connected, the mental and the stomach, of course it's directly connected, so you cannot neglect on that kind of thing. So what are the homeopathic remedies which are really helpful in the treatment of indigestion? First one is carbo-veg. Indigestion with excessive flatulence, it may result from overeating or eating rich fatty foods. Eating too late in the evening and sleeping soon thereafter means indigestion with the excessive gas formation in the abdomen. The people will be saying, no, I feel like there is a gas in my stomach, but I cannot pass it even from the upward or even from the down. I feel so much of heaviness. And people who are really kind of overeating and eating fatty rich foods like cheeseburgers, pizza and burger, any kind of cheese related or oily related or freezed item, junk foods like that, you can think of carbohydrate. Eating too late in the evening and sleeping soon thereafter, also you can think of carbohydrate, because you're not giving the correct digestion time and you're not giving certain things which are really kind of required for the digestion, because you should always eat 2 hours before you go to bed. But some people do that, what they eat at late at 10:30, 11 o'clock and they just go to bed. This happens. Sleeping soon after is also kind of thing. Burning in the chest and headache can be the result. Simplest food also disagrees when this kind of thing happens. So you should always be careful about what you eat, how the digestion is being taken out. If you say, doctor, at least once in a week I feel like eating outside, but whenever I eat I cannot digest well. Do one thing: before eating, just keep it in your pocket, carbohydrate. Before eating, just take 4 pills and just eat it, that's all. Or if you forget that in your home, then what you can do is, after eating the junk food, come and take 4 pills. So the digestion also happens goodly and you will not suffer with the indigestion or the flatulence, or means the gas formation or the pain or the discomfort or the heaviness like that. Ipecac. If the nausea, Ipecac is also one of the wonderful remedy for the indigestion. If the nausea is constant and is not revealed by vomiting and the tongue is clear, this remedy is indicated. Indigestion can be due to some kind of shyness, or means like one person will be working in the office and the higher official has really kind of pressured him up or given him some works, or he had some scolded him in front of others. During that time also the indigestion happens, not only by eating outside. This kind of indigestion happens in the epicet. Next remedy is carbohydrate. Very weak digestion, a little variation or error of food causes indigestion. Anacardium orientalis. Indigestion after taking cold drinks or stress. Anacardium is a kind of patient who is really kind of very much stressed, and they take the stress without even any kind of necessity things. Such patients are always revealed by eating. There is a sensation of plug anywhere in the stomach area. They feel like there is a plug inside me. And heartburn is also seen always after eating 2 to 3 hours. Means the patient takes food right now, 2 to 3 hours they will be having so much of indigestion till the patient is digesting the food. Abyss nigra. Indigestion with sensation of constriction in the esophagus. It is very useful in dyspeptic troubles of an aged with functional heart symptoms. Pain in the stomach always after eating. Offensive breath and erections. You can think of Abyss nigra, because Abyss nigra had given for so many people with stomach related problems, but I preferably give Abyss nigra for the stomach ulcers. It can cure really a very serious stomach ulcer patients also. So if you're looking for that kind of thing, then go with Abyss nigra. Next one is Naxomica, one of my favorite and one of most used homeopathic remedies. Without these remedies, we cannot work in our clinic. At least in a week, one patient will be Naxomica like that. Indigestion with painful erections, and there may be also loss of sleep because of this kind of erection or indigestion or gas formation in the stomach. Stress and anxiety is one of the co-factor of the Naxomica, because Naxomica is very hard-working persons and they give very much hard-working thing for themselves. And there is also an stress and anxiety. There is burning in the chest after about 30 to 60 minutes of eating. The patient is better by warmth and sleep or when left alone. He craves alcohol and he always craves spicy food. Smoking is one of the must for Naxomica. Alcohol or smoking or both. Indigestion after overeating. This patient's how Naxomica will be like. They does not eat in time. They eat at irregular times. Like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, they overeat. After that, they skip the afternoon thing. They go in the evening and eat. They skip night and they eat in the midnight like that. So this is one of the thing which the Naxomica people really does, and because of that their stomach or the gut health is really kind of disturbed. Next one is pulsatilla. Indigestion with nausea and vomiting begins after 2 hours of eating and is first in the evening. Pulsatilla is also given whenever there is after the means the patient is not alcoholic and he has taken occasionally and they have this kind of indigestion whenever they take the alcohol. They have this nausea, vomiting, dizziness of the head and everything. Just give Naxomica after alcohol or before alcohol taking. They will be better. And taste may be bad. It may be also result in rich fatty food. And due to emotional disturbance, also Naxomica patient really have this kind of indigestion. So this was my video about indigestion. Myself Dr. Megha from Homeopathic Clinic. I'm a practitioner of homeopathy from 5 years. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon. If you have any kind of suggestion about your favorite disease or the disease which you want to know about homeopathic medicine, please do like and subscribe so that you will also know more about it, and also comment on the such diseases. Thank you.